Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So today I'm going to show you 9 amazing Python import tricks that will save your time to clean up your code and just make you feel like a pro Python insta. So these are the tricks that even intermediate developers often miss. So let's dive straight into it. So the first and foremost trick is to import with alias. So this is shorter, cleaner. Instead of writing the full one, we only write import numpy as np. So this is shorter, cleaner, and instead of writing numpy.array, you just use np.array. So the pro tip is use common aliases like np for numpy, pd for pandas, and plt for matplotlib. So here is trick 2, which is import multiple in one line. So this is how we'll import multiple modules in one line. So this is great when you are working with several standard libraries, and this saves vertical spaces but keep it readable. So this was very simple trick 2. So the third trick is import only what you need. Sometimes what happened, we just import too much libraries that only makes our code very unusual. So we should always import what we need. So this avoids bringing the entire module into memory and makes your code more efficient and easier to read. So here is the trick 4, which is use all to control wildcard imports. So the fifth trick is relative import in your own packages. So this helps and organize large projects and avoid circular import and keeps your structure modular. So here is the trick 6, which is use importlab to import dynamically. So this dynamic import is equals to powerful plugin system and conditional loading, etc. So always think writing an interpreter plugin loader for lazy loader. And the next trick is trick 7, handle import error gracefully. So using try and expect, we can handle errors gracefully. So this makes your code user-friendly and more robust, especially useful for command line tools or open source packages. So the next trick is trick 8, check what's already imported. So you can see all the modules currently loaded in memory. This is useful for debugging or optimization. And this is the last trick, trick 9, which is import your script as module. And this makes your code reusable and testable. Instead of duplicating code, import and reuse it. So these were 9 Python import tricks you wish you knew sooner. So if you learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your Python friends. Thanks for watching this video.